Hey guys, this is how to change country in Google Play Store. So, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to your Google Play Store application and tap on your profile icon at the top right. And from here, guys, just simply tap on payments and subscriptions. And at the very top, just tap on payment method. And from here, just simply go ahead and go for more payment settings over here down below. And after that, a pop-up will show up and you will be redirected to a. So guys, from here, just simply go to the settings over here. And from here, guys, just simply tap on a country/region over here. And from here, just tap on create new profile. And after that, as you can see, you will have here continue, tap on it. And from here, just simply select a country or region and just simply select your country that you prefer. So there are a lot of options here that you can choose from. And after that, just tap on continue. And from here, guys, just simply provide the necessary information that are needed, including the address, the city, and the postal code. And after that, just tap on submit at the very bottom. And from there, guys, you should be able to change your country. And now, once you have done that, guys, just simply go back to your Google Play Store. And from here, just tap on the profile icon at the top right. And after that, just tap on settings. And from here, just tap on general. And after that, just tap on account and device preferences. And from here, you should be able to toggle the country that you have over here on the country and profiles and just simply select the country that you just added. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and thanks for watching.